Hi everyone, welcome, and in this video I'm going to talk about 5 ways to speak with elegance. Now let me tell you, speaking or communicating is a beautiful art, and if you can master this one thing in your life, you know what, it's easy for you to get work done from others. It's easy for you to get the attention of people. It's easy for you to go along with people. It's easy for you to convince people. It's easy for you to lead in a much better way. And most important, it's easy for you to be more productive on day-to-day basis, right? Friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication specialist. And in this channel, I talk about personal development, success, happiness, communication, living your best possible life. So if you are new, do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. The first simple and the most easy way to speak with elegance is mind your tone. Okay, so have the tone. Okay, tone is the way you are speaking to anyone. Okay, let's say I say give me a pen, okay, versus give me a pen. Okay, versus give me a pen. Can you see I am using the same words but my tone is changed? Okay, I'm requesting, I'm angry, or I'm just saying in a neutral tone, right? So what happens is, when you are managing your tone, when you are working on your tone, even if you're going to say something that's not very good, but if the tone is little bit witty, it's of humor, the person will not mind, right? At the same time, if you're saying something very simple, but your tone is rough, okay, give me a pen, okay, it might hurt other person. So here the simple way is that you manage your tone, that is, you manage your emotion. So the simple way that you can do is, you can practice this on day-to-day basis, is just monitor your tone. Your tone is your emotion, so try to have a tone that is more light. Okay, just have requesting tone, have a tone that is witty, have a tone that is humorous. Okay, and if you feel that, you know, I'm angry, I've said something I should have not said, then it's probably the tone, then the words. Okay, so mind your tone. Just observe, how am I speaking, what is my tone, what is my emotion. And when you are angry, or when there is any negative emotion, you know, that you have, the best is, please stay quiet, because in that heat of moment, if you're going to say something, it's maybe you're going to regret that later. So here the best way to manage your tone is to manage your emotions. So that's the first tip, and if you're going to apply this tip, just type in the comment box, I am going to apply this. Okay, the second tip I want to give you in order for you to speak with elegance is never interrupt. Okay, so a lot of times people love to talk, right? People are talking about themselves, people are sharing something, right? And all of a sudden I've seen people, they will just interrupt. They don't care what these people are saying, but they will just interrupt because they have urge to speak. Okay, so I understand that there is an urge to speak. I understand there's an urge of sharing. I understand that there's a lot that you feel like, you know, talking. Now here, you have to also, you know, listen to the person, because when you interrupt to a person, you just break the flow. Okay, so here what you can do is, if let's say you are somebody who is leading, okay, and you're speaking, you can always say, like, oh, I always say that in my sessions, that please do not interrupt me in between. If you have any questions, please note it down. I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to give you time for question and answer. Okay, that's one way that you can set expectations. Another way is, if you are at the listening end, let the other person complete. Okay, and then you can just say, okay, that's a good point, just to add on, to tell you more. Okay, so that ways you are taking a pause, you are waiting for that person to finish, and then you are adding your point. Okay, that's very important in relationships, and that shows that, you know, you are you are speaking with elegance. Okay, let me tell you, if you are somebody who would love to master this skill with me, then I am doing a live workshop. It is a 2 hours live workshop, wherein I'm going to share some amazing secrets that are going to help you speak with elegance and influence people. So there's a link in the description box. Click on the link, join the workshops, and get super awesome bonuses as you be part of this workshop. Okay, secret number 3 is speak less and listen more. Yes, when we talk about communication, when we talk about speaking, when we talk about presentation, It is not always about talking. In fact, it is more about listening. God has given us one mouth and two ears so that we can listen more than we can speak. So here, when you listen to the person, when you give that attention to that person, that automatically shows your elegance, that shows the calmness that you have in your personality. So let others speak, let them complete, let them speak out their heart. Just listen to them. And when you're listening to them, do not do anything else. Okay, I'm listening with ears. Okay, I'm in my mobile phone, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. No, just give your 100% attention to that person. I'll tell you, the best relationships you will observe in your life, just think of anybody that you have good relationship with. It can be anyone, friend, spouse, family members, anyone. You will observe that the big reason that with this person you have a good relationship is because this person listens to you. Yeah, when you share, when you talk, the other person gives you that space that you can share, you can talk, and the person is just there to listen to you. Yeah, so when you have that, you automatically develop amazing connection with this person. So if you are going to be a good listener, just type in the comment box, I am a good listener. Okay, so point number 4 is super awesome, and that is called choice of words. Now, words are important, right? At the same time, choice of words is also very important. So if you will use very casual language, like somebody you don't know, and let's say you have just met and all of a sudden you are speaking very casually, "Are yaar, what this happened? Oh, don't do this," in a very casual tone and some casual words. Let me tell you, it's a deal breaker. It's a deal breaker. This is not elegance. Elegance is all about taking it slow. Elegance is all about taking one step at a time. Elegance is all about giving time to build that trust and not do anything that's very casual. Okay, so never use any casual words that specifically in front of people you don't know much about. Yes, if you have a very good relationship with a person, if you people are friends, then it's completely okay, right? But we are talking about business setting. So here it is very important that you choose the right words, and the right words are trying to use a general words, right? You talk about general topics. Don't get into very personal stuff. Okay, don't be very curious to know about their life details. Don't ask very personal questions like, are you married or not? How much do you earn? Are yaar, what happened to you? Don't do that. That's the disaster. That's a disaster, specifically if you have met that person for the first time. And I see this lot of people committing this mistake. So be very careful with choice of words. Use a very simple language. Use professional language, and do not enter in the personal space of a person, specifically when you are not invited into it. Okay, if this was a bulb on, just type in the comment box, bulb on. Okay, 5th one is very important and very interesting one, although it is the last one, but it is the most interesting and amazing one, and that is called open body language. Okay, now do you know that whatever is in your head is in your body language? Okay, so if you are thinking I am nervous, okay, then automatically somehow it is going to show in your body language. Okay, if you're feeling that I am confident, it will come in your body language. Okay, so here it's very important to have open body language. So what is an open body language? It's like your palms are open, you're sitting straight, you're maintaining a good eye contact, you have a smile on your face. That is an open body language. Then what is a closed body language? Completely opposite. You are not maintaining that good eye contact, you're looking down, your palms are like this, and it's very difficult for you to talk to other person. A closed body language. I remember I met one of the HRs couple of years ago, and this person, like, we were sitting on a table of face to face, and this person was like this, and he had a very stiff body language like this. I was not able to speak. Okay, forget about doing business. I was not able to speak at all. So what happens is, once you have a closed body language, you are not friendly, you are not approachable. And if you have that, then people would not want to speak much to you. People will be scared of you rather than being friendly with you. right? And you don't want that. So have an open body language, be confident, be at ease around people, give them opportunity to speak, give them opportunity to express themselves. Yeah, so this is how you speak with elegance. So if you have loved the content, guys, please hit thumbs up, and so that this video reaches to maximum people. And do join my community, WhatsApp community. Do be part of my upcoming programs. All the details are in the link below. I'll be more than happy to see you there. Thank you and bye-bye.